Art makes the world beautiful, right? Of course it does. Art is not what you see, it's what you make people feel. As an artist, I'm always in search of a unique canvas, one that does justice to what I have to say. So I chose to make the whole city my canvas. See, when the message is important, you have to be loud and be everywhere. I'm here to remind people that their city belongs to them, to take ownership and keep their city clean. Unbelievable what a few splashes of color can do, right? And if you are looking for inspiration, it's all around you. I've dedicated my life to reclaiming our cities, one wall at a time. And that's how I transform the night.